Looking for the best cheap 3D printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a great deal for its price and a top pick for curious tinkerers looking for an easy-to-use introduction to 3D printing. It shows improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling over previous Ender-3 models we've tested. Despite minor issues like noise, vibration, and a print bed that needs to be treated with glue, it's a highly capable and affordable budget 3D printer. Who it's for? Newbies. The Ender-3 V3 is a highly capable and affordable open-frame 3D printer that's easy to love if you're just starting out in the hobby. It is easy to assemble and produces speedy, high-quality prints. As it's an open-frame printer, you can easily watch its inner workings, the extruder, motors, and print bed in action, which provides a great experiential education to a 3D printing newcomer. Number 2. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon provides more than you might expect for its very reasonable price. In addition to its spacious print bed, large control panel, automatic calibration, and very good print quality, which are welcome though far from unique features, even in the budget printing sphere, it includes extras such as a built-in camera for monitoring print jobs, and a high-temperature steel print head. The latter lets the Centauri Carbon work with a surprising number of filament types, among them ABS, PLA, ASA, PETG, TPU, PET, PC, PA, nylon, and carbon fiber. Who it's for? Newbies. The Centauri Carbon is an excellent filament-based printer for budget-conscious 3D printing newbies, offering ease of use, strong print quality, and some higher-end features as well. People who print with a wide range of filaments, its support for printing with a large variety of filaments is unusual for a printer that costs this little. Number 3. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro. The Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro is an impressive open-frame 3D printer that supports high-temperature printing, which ensures its compatibility with a wide range of filaments. The S1 Pro produced some striking-looking prints with intricate detail and testing. Setting up this printer is a breeze, since most of the machine comes pre-assembled. It is a welcome addition to the 3D printer middle ground, sure to satisfy both 3D printing newbies and experienced creators looking for an affordable printer. Who it's for? Newbies. You don't have to be a pro to appreciate the Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro, an easy-to-use 3D printer that's an excellent starter system for beginners looking to embark on a journey in the world of 3D printing. Easy to set up and manage, the S1 Pro is a top model for newcomers, yet it boasts some advanced features, including support for various filament types. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer represents great value in a sub-$500 3D printer, consistently producing good quality prints in our testing, including some jumbo-sized objects. It requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to house it, but setup and operation prove easy enough. Be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order when purchasing the Neptune, or buy it in a bundle that includes filament. Who it's for? Newbies. The Neptune 4 Plus is ideal as a starter 3D printer for a newbie willing to roll up their sleeves. Some fairly simple assembly is required. As an open-frame 3D printer, the Neptune's workings, motors, belts, cables, print bed, extruder, and filament feed remain visible. Both assembling the Neptune and seeing it in action can help a newcomer to better understand the 3D printing process. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an affordable 3D printer in its own right, but it also offers an inexpensive add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. It generates high-quality prints at a relatively high speed, too. The A1 Mini is exceptionally easy to get up and running and proved to be problem-free in our testing. Who it's for? Beginners. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini comes nearly fully assembled and is easy to set up and operate. It quickly generates good-looking prints and proved problem-free in our testing. While the base model is incredibly affordable, the combo version that we reviewed costs less than $400 and includes an add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy.